Hi class, it's Wednesday and it's our virtual day. So the only Google Meet we do today is just for first period for attendance and for lab. I will expect to see you for lab. But here's what we're doing in class today. So we are going to go to the daily attendance and you're going to fill that out for me, please. And we'll scroll down to this week's folder. And we're going to go down to Wednesday because today is Wednesday the 14th. It's a B day. Our agenda is to do the Google Meet, but that's just for first period. Fill out the daily attendance form. You're going to do the bell ringer. I have an Edpuzzle Amoeba Sisters video all about water and the properties of water. And then I have a challenge to see if you can figure out how to float a paper clip on the surface of some water. In your homework, I want you to write it down so you don't forget. Complete any missing work to me by Friday. That means go into PowerSchool and take a look to see if you have zeros for anything. And if so, I want you to email me that you plan on making them up. Also, if you missed the test on Friday, maybe you only did the graph and you forgot there was a CASEL learning portion, or vice versa. Maybe you only did the CASEL learning part and you forgot about the graph, or maybe you didn't do any of it. I need you to do the test before Friday. You get one more chance to do a retake, but you have to email me with the date and the time that you plan on making it up. Today, Wednesday, would be a great time for you to make it up because you don't have classes that are happening regularly. And then I also have the reminder for the lab. If you were in lab yesterday on the A day, you're working on the alien juice bar lab. If you have lab today, that's what we're doing in lab. And here's your lab agenda. Just keeping it up front here as a reminder. If you have lab today, the alien juice bar is what you're doing, and it'll be due on Friday. The instructions for the lab are in the lab folder. And you'll be joining me for lab in our Google Meet, and I will go through the lab with you then as well. Let's go into Wednesday's folder. So here's your bell ringer. You'll answer that, please. And then here's your Amoeba Sisters water video. So there will be questions posted throughout the video. You're going to watch that. And then here's your magic paperclip challenge. I'm going to challenge you to float a paperclip on the surface of a cup of water. What you'll need is like a clear glass cup or bowl of water, a box of paper clips, paper towels in case you spill. But that's all you'll need. And I want to see if you can figure out how to float it. And we're using the quality of water, the property of water called cohesion, because water has hydrogen bonds, and that's going to create a very almost skin on the surface of the water that'll be able to hold your paper clip, but you have to do it in a certain way. So you are actually going to submit this to me. This is an assignment, so I'm expecting everybody to try this. What you'll do is on your screen on the top right, you're going to have a submit button. So you're going to submit the assignment, and you should get this screen when you click submit. What I want you to do is stay on this upload. You can create a video recording showing me that you're floating video. So you're going to use the audio and video button, and you're going to click on there, and using your Chromebook you're going to show me that you have successfully managed to float a paper clip on the surface of the water. And then once you do that, you're going to submit your video, and that's the end of that assignment for me. And then back in Wednesday, just another link for your lab in case you forget about the fact that you have to do lab separate from class. This is going to link you to the lab assignment. Please, please email me or send me a reminder if you have any questions or you're stuck or you don't know how to do something. I cannot read your minds. You have to let me know if you need help. I will sit and do a one-on-one Google Meet with you, and we'll share screens to go through assignments that you might need help with. But you have to talk to me. You have to communicate with me, or I cannot help you. Okay? So have fun with your challenge today, and we'll see you tomorrow.